How to redeem physical Amazon gift card. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can redeem your physical Amazon gift card. So this is going to be an example of an Amazon gift card. At the back of the card, you should be able to see a gray highlighted color where you need to scratch it using a coin or any tool that you can use for you to be able to have a vision of the unique code that you can use. Now, once you've successfully scratched it, just leave it as it is and then just use your web browser on your laptop or maybe your mobile device and then head into the Amazon's official site. From here, just simply search and look for redeem and hit on enter and then choose on the very first result that is going to be Amazon gift cards, redeem or check the balance. Once you click that, if you scroll down a bit, you will also be given an instruction on where the code is located at the back of your physical card. You just have to input those unique codes right here without any dashes and then click on apply to your balance. And that's it. That's how you redeem physical Amazon gift card.